Hello, I'm Tete Vera. I live in Roseville. I've been for 6 months dealing with a pain, and I came to see the Peter here, and it was just awesome because the first day that I came, I actually was able to go with about 90% less pain than when I came in. And also the medication for my blood pressure, the doctor had just told me to bump it up, have more, one half more because I was not getting any better. My blood pressure was going up, and so now my blood pressure is good. I don't have to take more medicine. So I'm very happy. Thank you.